In 2006, criminals pulled off Britain's biggest cash robbery by turning a security manager into their inside man. The Securitas depot in Kent held £53 million, fortress-like security, armed guards, multiple vault doors. Nearly impossible to breach, but the thieves had a different plan. They spent months watching Colin Dixon, the depot manager, learned his routine, his family, his weaknesses. On a February night, fake police officers pulled Dixon over, told him his family was in danger. Meanwhile, other gang members were already at his house holding his wife and son hostage. Dixon had no choice. He drove the criminals straight into the depot. His security codes opened every door. His authority got them past the guards. His cooperation gave them access to the most secure vaults in Britain. In 2 hours, they loaded £53 million into a truck and vanished. Police arrested the gang within months. But here's the shocking part. Most of that £53 million was never recovered. To this day, millions remain hidden somewhere.